ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ gbọ́ kí ni èrò ti yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí very dark man sọ ọlọ́run ló mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe fáwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ọlọ́run ṣàánú ẹ jẹ́ gbọ́.
52 kids were abducted yesterday at St. Mary's Church School in Minna, Niger State. These kids are between the age of 10 to 19 years old. Only God knows what they are doing to those kids as we speak. Shegumi, 32 kids were abducted in Kebbi State. Shegumi, while a church service was going on at CAC in Kwara State, terrorists entered into the church. They were shooting up, and at the end of the day, they killed some people. Not just that, they carried about 38 of them. And as we speak now, they are requesting for 100 million naira per head. Shegumi, please, I beg you, we need those kids back. These are your people. At the end of the day, I don't care if anybody's going to say you are defaming him, you must bring proof. Shegumi, these terrorists are your people. These terrorists are your people. You have said it before that these people are on a revenge mission. What revenge mission? What did they do to these people?